Subscribers, everyone is very good evening. We will see four Nifty or Bank Nifty levels in Monday trading section. So you have, I hope you will get, you will see for this. You will see for this video, this shorts video. You will get, you will take entry for day chat. This is for day chat video, day chat analysis. You will see for this video means you get entry for today also, yesterday also. You will get good profit. Francis. Okay. So some videos is okay, ready. Some videos. Tomorrow will. This video is I will fight for the superstar Rajinikanth. Today is 75th birthday, right? So I will update on small or my wishes for small video presentation. Okay, I will hope you will everyone is understand. Okay, this is my channel videos, and okay, you will like it our channel means don't forget to share and subscribe. We will go to analysis the chart. So again we'll also wish to long life and give the best movies for our fans in futures. Okay, happy birthday Talaga. Okay, this is all-time high for Nifty 50. 26,300 is all-time high. Okay, so weekly chart. You will analysis for weekly chart. Connect is low on this high. So market will be trading around near 500 points. 500 or 600 points only market will be trading these levels. After which said breakout will be expecting to anyone said maximum market giving the retest levels for near this high to you will put retestment this high to this low. Okay, market retest again 0.618 26,000 near market will be retest. $26,801. Okay, 0.1 0.618. This is the level 26,081. This is for next Nifty levels target. So otherwise market will be trading one view for these levels. Another one view is these levels. Another level is this high. Okay, this is for strong support. Weekly. Okay, this two candle, this is 4 weeks totally. We will see low and high. After we will mention for 2 weeks only. 4 weeks candle or 2 weeks candle. Maximum we are expecting for retest 0.618. Okay, any other update after market will be reaching 0.618, market become give the correction or breakout, something anyone will happen. Okay, I will tell it for this. After we will go to Bank Nifty weekly chart. We go the mention this low and this high. Next I will change it day chart. So this channel, this line after breakout the market come to again 57,200 or 50,000 7,200 near market. Otherwise market give to retest. So 0.618. Okay, 59,609. 0.608, 59,609. Okay, this is the level, next level. So what is Bank Nifty? So right now market will be trading this is, where is price range 700 points would be market will be trading. Okay, so we will mention to last 4 days trading section. So whenever break it these levels, market will be giving the next levels. Otherwise market will be Bank Nifty will be higher time frames. Already we will see it, the higher time frame market will be the trading the sideways market. Okay, we'll go on mention the this all high. Okay, so after market only breakout for these levels, this high only market will be going to giving to new high. Okay, breakout. So whenever market breaking for this level, giving to uptrend, otherwise market give to again the downtrend. This is for Nifty, Bank Nifty levels for today trading section. You will see for any you have any query other. This is for Monday trading section. Okay, today is Friday. Saturday Sunday is not market will be there. Market will be Monday trading section. You have any doubt will be there means you will write it email or text in comment box. Okay. Otherwise, you like it this channel means don't forget to like and subscribe your friends and yeah, friends. Okay. Mm, we have some plan will be there. You will see for upcoming days. You will see it. Okay. Thank you.